Okay, so I got approved for a 500K loan. You guys can see pending deposit today, April 16th, 2026. This is under my business account. I literally have a fresh LLC, brand new EIN, DUNS number. So you guys will need to go on Tradeline loans and scroll all the way down to business loans right here. And I got the biggest one. So basically, they will approve you as long as you guys pay for the deposit. Okay. So once you guys pay the $2,000 for this one, if you can't afford it, you guys can get the other options. But this one is 120 months. You guys will be paying nearly $5K every single month. Reports also as a trade line. You guys can also build your business credit too. You need to provide your business information like your LLC, your DUNS number, EIN number, personal bank account. There is a 15% interest and deposit takes up to 24 hours. Okay. So the lowest option is 25K, but they can't give you more than one. So I recommend, getting at least 100K, especially if you're trying to start a new business or expand your business. You need at least, I believe, 100K or more. So 250K and 500K is the recommended amount, but $250,000 is actually a sweet spot. The fee isn't that bad, $1,200 for the loan, and the monthly payment for 100 months is $3,000. Okay, so if you guys have your ELC business bank account in order, you guys can get the business loan. But if you guys don't have a business or LLC, you could just get the Chime credit builder loans, and they do give you up to $50,000. The fee is $1,000. All right, it costs a little more, but most people that I know, they do the 10K or 5K. I recommend doing the 10K. It's a lot better. You do need to pay the money up front. You can't just rely on the fee being deducted from the balance. You got to pay before you guys get the loan. But the loan is through this company, okay? It's guaranteed if you pay it, and you guys literally you don't really need any credit. You can actually use a CPN, under this, if you guys want. So you could use a CPN, you can use your social, so you could get two at the same time if you want to do that. They do have all the trade lines. They have primaries if you want to boost your credit score. You guys can do the traditional route and get approved after the trade line is hit, and you guys can apply. But it's more guaranteed if you guys pay for the fee. But for the price of the trade lines, you guys will get a very beneficial amount. But if you guys do add the trade lines, you guys can actually get credit cards and loans. But the business is worth it, and they do have CPNs if you guys want to go through the CPN route. The Omega package, you guys can read it right here. $250,000 loans, 300K in credit cards. That's multiple credit cards stacked, and it is Amex approved up to the Amex Platinum. Okay, so overall, it's a good site. They do have credit repair. They have a 2-month deletion, 1 week and 1 month. So I recommend the 1 week costs $700. But for me, I don't mind waiting a month or even 2 months if you're trying to save money, but you should do the 1 month or 1 week. If you guys have bad credit, then you can slap on those primary trade lines. You guys can read the information on the bottom right here. It contains all these trade lines. Most of these trade lines stay on for 3 years. They report within 5 business days. Okay, so most trade lines now don't report in 30 days. They actually report within 5 to 7 business days. Sometimes they can report in 24 hours. But this company is always 5 days minimum. But yeah, definitely check out their services, check out the business.